What is going on, everyone? Today is May 21st. I'm a day late, but I'm still going to put this out for the 20th trade. This was the trade I took. Let me real quick show the P&L. Move this a little bit. Made around 3K, 300 on all the accounts. Pretty solid. Super quick and easy explanation. This is the trade I took. These are the executions. If you guys can follow my Instagram, that'd be pretty fire. Also follow the YouTube, please. But yeah, so let's just go into the replay of Wednesday and what I was thinking. I've been using 10 a.m. a lot recently, and I'm just gonna further capitalize on using 10 a.m. So coming into the day, let's go ahead and start on the hourly, even though none of this really matters for the trade I took. So coming into the hourly, there's this hourly fair value gap right here that I was looking for a price to draw into, and this was going to be my draw after we sweep out these highs. And let's see what happens at the open. Where's the open? Okay, there we go. Okay, so pump, dump, whatever this thing is happening right here. This is happening. We missed that 1 hour gap. I believe ES taps the gap really well though. If we just check. Yeah, so ES is trading inside the hourly gap. NQ has missed that target completely though. So now I'm beginning to think maybe we might be bullish. Maybe the previous day high. These swing points right here. But I'm still just waiting. I mean, we're literally only like 13 minutes into the open. Keep cycling through. Boom. New York sweeps previous day high. And I would have loved to smack a short right here. Literally right here, targeting the 1 hour gap. This would have been absolutely clean, textbook amazing. Because ES did not sweep this high, right? If we go here, there's a S&T with previous day high, and that's exactly what I was marking out. I was in the bathroom when this happened, so I did not get a chance to catch that play, but as you can see, ES doesn't even sweep the swing point, and NQ is sweeping previous day high. So this short would have been amazing. I'm already imagining myself in shorts. And if we just keep playing this out a little more, I had a limit set right here. I never got tagged in, which was pretty unfortunate, but I was still looking, for shorts. I was looking for more bearish movement. I was imagining myself already in these shorts, and then boom, 10 a.m. opens right here, 4 hour open. We have this 5 minute bearish fair value gap, this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, and what do we see happens? 10 a.m. taps into it. And it gets a nice little dig in. Okay, it digs nicely in. Now, there was no inversion, and on the trade I took on Tuesday, I believe, there was no inversion, and there was only a change in the state of delivery, and I got burned. So I was not going to take this off of this change in the state of delivery. I was not going to take it here. I wanted to see something more. Maybe this 5 minute order block. I wanted to see this 5 minute get closed below, and we'd see this as a, order block or whatever you want to call it, but I like to call it CRT because that's what it is. 5 minute sweeps, previous candles high. We can expect this candle's low to be the draw and potentially continue lower. But I'm waiting. Boom, we make that order block. So what do? I'm already pretending I'm in shorts. So if I did take this, I would move my stop and profit to this high. But now instead, I'm going to set a limit, which is what I did, onto that 5 minute order block, whatever you want to call it, and my TP would still be the 1 hour gap, but now that 10 a.m. opened, it is now a 4 hour gap. As you can see, we have a small 4 hour right there. But I'm not going to target New York AM low. I'm targeting this 1 hour gap. It's literally perfect 2R trade. Did about 2 micros. Sell. Whoops. And I got tagged in right there. Boom. Stop right here, risking like 140 to make 290, whatever that may be. Now, I would like to note, this is 10 a.m.'s wick right here. This is the rejection block out of the PD array. A lot of people I saw online limited the rejection block as the, open, low, high, close of 10 a.m. Bang, 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 bang. And they just set a limit on what this would be, the rejection block. I don't trade rejection blocks. I really don't look into them. I don't care for them. I never use them. I'm going to trade this 5-minute order block. And it trades around in drawdown a little bit, then boom, just instantly flies down to TP, and I had a perfect TP, just perfect TP. I do believe some more news came out, but either way, there was that 4-hour gap that we were in. Major high time frame buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, so I would not have held this whatsoever. And if I did, literally would have gotten stopped out when this one singular news came. So, pretty solid day, amazing executions, no issues whatsoever, A+ setup, CRT, order block, PD array, clear DOL, amazing, S&T at previous day high, this was banger. A lot of people did take longs. I wouldn't have taken longs off of this just because of the SMT at previous day high. If anything, I'd take long maybe to get tagged into the short, but obviously after bullish news comes out, it's gonna be bullish. So yeah, but pretty solid on the day, not too bad, and a little 6-7 minute trading day, and that was pretty much it. Today was pretty solid, made that, recovered that loss from yesterday, and everything was smooth and dandy. I hope you guys made it, learned something about 10 a.m., power 3, open, low, high, close candles. Without this bullish news, do I think we could have continued lower? I'm not sure, nor do I really care, right? This is my piece of the pie. This is all I'm looking for. And once that gets tagged, I'm done and out for the day. I'm not really looking to catch 300-400 point moves like down to this Asia low. Despite ES literally made perfect equal lows right here. So, you could expect this to get taken out on ES, but obviously bullish news shot us higher, and that can happen, and you're also front running this 4-hour high time frame PD array that's bullish, so it makes no sense to hold through that. Now, are there times where this would not hold, maybe without the news, and it would dump? Yeah. But do I care about that? No, not really. Yeah, that's about it. Maybe you guys learned something, a couple things, I don't know. Like I said, this is more accountability than anything. I'm not really trying to teach anyone. But yeah, this is kind of like my journal, like I said. And yeah, I'll record the May 21st video right after this. So you'll see that like literally a minute later.